Morning routine for 10 to 15 years old. Welcome to Beauty and Tips. Ever wondered how to kickstart your day with energy and efficiency? In this video, we're diving deep to unveil the secrets behind crafting the perfect morning routine for teens. From waking up refreshed to fueling your body with the right nutrients, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Wake up with a smile. Gently, wake up to your favorite song or a calming alarm tone. Start your day with a positive mindset and a smile on your face. Hygiene habits. Head to the bathroom and wash your face with a gentle cleanser to refresh your skin. Follow up with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Don't forget to brush your teeth for a bright smile. Choose your outfit. Take a few minutes to pick out your outfit for the day. Choose something that makes you feel confident and comfortable. Whether it's a cute dress, your favorite jeans, or a cozy sweater, pick an outfit that suits your style and the day's activities. Accessorize. Add some fun accessories to complete your look. Whether it's a statement necklace, a colorful scarf, or a cute hair accessory, accessories can add a touch of personality to your outfit. Hair care. Style your hair in a way that makes you feel fabulous. Whether you prefer to wear it down, in a ponytail, or in braids, choose a hairstyle that complements your outfit and makes you feel confident. Quick makeup routine. If you like to wear makeup, keep it simple and natural for daytime. Apply a tinted moisturizer or BB cream for light coverage, followed by a swipe of mascara and a tinted lip balm for a fresh-faced look. Breakfast time. Fuel your body with a nutritious breakfast to kickstart your day. Opt for quick and easy options like yogurt with granola, a smoothie bowl, or avocado toast. Final touches. Before you head out the door, do a quick check to make sure you have everything you need. Grab your bag, keys, phone, and any other essentials, and you're ready to conquer the day. By following this step-by-step morning routine, you'll set yourself up for a successful and productive day ahead as a teen.